more plastic junk. The 6.7 Powerstroke. Hot side intercooler pipe's metal, the cold side intercooler pipe's plastic. No clue why Ford did that to us. They never work. They constantly are failing. Once again, S&B makes a replacement for that. It's metal. H&S Motorsports makes a really nice replacement kit that is metal. As long as you're getting rid of plastic and going to metal, I like S&B, H&S Motorsports, Mishimoto. Really, I have no preference between the three as far as who's my favorite. For me, it comes down to who's got inventory and who I can get, who's got it in stock and I can get it shipped out. So, three great companies making a great product. Hit us up if you are worried about your plastic intercooler pipe leaving you stranded on the side of the road. It is a big deal when that thing blows. Your exhaust gas temperatures skyrocket. Had one guy, commercial driver, not a diesel owner, literally just driving somebody else's truck. The plastic intercooler pipe failed somewhere in Texas, and he continued driving all the way to Georgia. It got so hot, it cracked the cylinder heads. So, kind of a big deal. Don't leave that plastic intercooler pipe in there until it leaves you stranded. Get rid of it. Be proactive.